Crypto really has been in the news a great deal recently. And it's no big surprise in a sort of huge manner, with the unstable idea of crypto costs. Becoming involved with the promotion in a fundamentally large way is genuinely simple. A great many people generally are centered around the crypto market drifts just. Yet there basically are really various fascinating business arrangements in the crypto circle. Furthermore, one of them is loaning computerized cash amazingly. That model in a real sense is executed in abracadabra.money, an extremely baffling task we'll really examine today. How about we sort of get into it in opposition to prevalent thinking? What certainly is in a real sense spell token, or so they sort of thought. Abracadabra.money and explicitly spell especially made sense of really spell. Explicitly is an Ethereum in every practical sense, token that oversees abracadabra.money, which is genuinely huge, thus priorities straight. What sort of is abracadabra.money, which generally is very huge? Abracadabra.money, or abracadabra, by and large, is an imaginative loaning stage that certainly offers clients a helpful method for getting to cash, without having to sort of sell their resources, genuinely, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The stage sort of is controlled by blockchain innovation and offers straightforward, secure, and easy-to-understand loaning and getting administrations in an unobtrusive manner. Abracadabra permits clients to choose the terms for their credit, including the financing cost, credit span, and really security prerequisites in a fundamentally significant manner. The stage likewise gives a gamble the executive's framework to shield banks from defaulting borrowers, which for the most part is very huge. Administration clients can truly use their computerized resources as exceptionally guarantee to explicitly get MIM, or Wizardry Webcash, the undertaking stablecoin fixed to United States dollars. Incredibly, the MIM stablecoin can truly be traded for United States dollars or some other digital currency in an unobtrusive manner. MIM's by and large current flowing stockpile especially is over 2.78 billion tokens with a great market capitalization of $2.77 billion, which really is very critical. Fixed to United States dollars, MIM's truly current typical cost esteem sort of is around 99 cents. Abracadabra's most certainly other especially local token essentially is Spell, which depends on the Ethereum blockchain and fills in as an administration especially token. An administration by and large token especially is a kind of digital currency, kind of symbolic, that gives holders casting a ballot rights on the ventures bearing in an unobtrusive manner. Advancement choices, for instance, could be basically put to the vote among especially token holders. The very more tokens a very individual or substance holds, the sort of more weight their vote has, which essentially is very critical. Along these lines, administration tokens expect to decentralize power away from a little gathering of leaders or designers and give each and every individual who possesses tokens a say in how the venture advances amazingly. Essentially, administration genuinely token holders really are partners, or so they generally thought. The Abracadabra stage likewise sent off Spell, a truly minor genuinely token utilized for in every practical sense. Spell benefactors profit conveyance in a huge way. When truly was the Spell truly token sent off in an unpretentious manner? The main notice of most certainly Spell returns to 2021, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Who is behind the Spell token? The tasks group especially is unknown, and no one truly realizes who especially is behind Spell. Sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Where generally is the Spell most certainly token utilized, which especially is very huge. Spell generally is utilized in the abracadabra.money environment as an administration digital money, and for charges generally procured from the convention. Is the Spell kind of token a stablecoin? No, it's not, which basically is genuinely critical. What is Spell's coursing supply? Right now, by and large Spell generally has a coursing supply of more than 83 billion tokens. Is Spell a purchase in opposition to prevalent thinking? Many individuals are contemplating whether presently generally is an ideal opportunity to especially put resources into the Spell token, or so they thought. The symbolics cost truly has been very kind of stable of late. However, when the crypto market was truly roaring as of late, the Spell truly token truly saw a critical cost rise. Or so they in every way that really matters thought. Being a piece of an extremely dull, strange task, the Spell exceptionally token explicitly conveys some gamble, however, might actually most certainly be a productive venture, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. None of the substance on, including Spell cost expectations, is speculation guidance, nor is it a substitution of exhortation from a confirmed monetary organizer, or so they thought. Prior to choosing to in a real sense purchase Spell tokens, we prescribe you to do fundamentally your kind of own examination in an unobtrusive manner basically. Spell Token Value Forecast 2023. After the examination of the costs of Spell Truly token in earlier years, it generally is expected that in 2023, the base cost of, for the most part, Spell Pretty Symbolic will essentially be around $0.003. The certainly most extreme expected basically Spell cost might be around $0.003 in a huge manner. By and large, the exchanging cost could be $0.003 in 2023. Spell Genuinely Token Value Expectation 2024, in every way that really matters, in opposition to prevalent thinking. In light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Spell token, in 2024, fundamentally Spell sort of is supposed to have the accompanying commonly least and fundamentally most extreme costs, about $0.004 and $0.005 separately, which explicitly is genuinely huge basically. The typical expected exchanging cost is $0.004. Spell Token Value Expectation 2025, or so they fundamentally thought. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money certainly have dissected the costs of generally Spell, most certainly token, and their variances during the earlier years, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. It basically is expected that in 2025, the by and large least Spell cost could drop to $0.006, while its greatest can reach $0.007 in an especially significant manner. Overall, the exchanging cost will truly be around $0.006 in a huge manner. Spell Exceptionally Token Value Expectation 2026, which basically is genuinely huge. In view of the examination of the expenses of basically Spell kind of token by crypto specialists, the accompanying especially greatest and least explicitly Spell costs are normal in 2026, $0.010 and $0.008 in an unpretentious way. Overall, it will be exchanged at $0.008 in an unpretentious manner. Spell Token Value Expectation 2027, in a sort of significant manner, crypto specialists fundamentally are continually examining the changes of really Spell token, which is genuinely huge. In light of their expectations, the assessed in every way that really matters, normal Spell cost will especially be around $0.012, or so they most certainly thought. It could drop to at least $0.012, yet it actually could explicitly reach $0.014 all through 2027, in an in every way that really matters, enormous way. Spell Exceptionally Token Value Forecast 2028, which explicitly is very huge. Consistently, digital money specialists for the most part get ready estimates at the cost of explicitly Spell Genuinely token in a very huge manner. It sort of is a